Chippy chippy chappa chappa woo wee woo wee wah 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 wah. Papa do wee woo wah wee woo wee woo wee woo wee. Hello. We got a bee.
Banana.
Wait, oh this is included? Oh my gosh. Who should I be, chat? Who should I be? I can be Slayer, Skeleton, Minion. I don't want to be Minion.
Wow.
I don't know if I want to be
Minions
Minion.
ever do to you?
I don't know. I just don't know if I want to be Minion. It looks so silly.
It's a knuckle.
It's so silly. I love it.
Do you know the boy?
Key.
Key.
I have one key.
A key.
One key.
One.
One key is real.
The One Key is real. I recently rewatched the One Piece.
You rewatched One Piece?
Yeah, the you know the Netflix one.
Oh, the live. I was about to
Yeah.
say you are not able to do like what the.
Watch me.
No.
I can't see until I feel your flashlight. Cause I can't see. Because it's
Excuse
too
me,
dark.
flashlight?
No,
Whoa.
not that one.
Whoa.
No.
You are not going to feel my flashlight.
No. Give me a. I'm just saying. I need light. I can't see.
I have a key.
I can't see. No. Oh, hello. Oh, we can go in. We can go to the secret room.
Oh, it's all locked.
There we go. Not anymore. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have opened this door. No, don't do. No, don't. God darn. No. How do we get out now?
Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away.
I'm away. Run away. Run away. Oh, I know. I can't see anything.
I can't either.
Oh,
I'm so
yippee!
blind.
Uh oh. Yippee! Yippee! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! No! I can't see. I'm sorry, creature. Yippee! Yippee! I don't want to be yippied. Please, no. I don't want to be yippied. I don't want to be yippied. Ah! No, no yippee! I can't see. He's coming after you. He's gonna yippee.
They're pissed. I don't know where I'm going.
Neither do I. Uh oh. Oh, Beast is dead. Oh no, I am dead. Oh no, I am dead. Oh no. Oh no, I'm dead. No. Oh. Yippee.
Okay, fair enough. Yoshi number 1.
Yippee.
Yippee!
Yippee.
Yippee!
Here's the bridge. Here's the bridge.
Yo.
Ooh, here's the bridge.
Is it the stable
There we are.
or the? Oh no, okay, it's
No,
a good
Moon,
one.
it's not a stable. It's a bridge.
Time for a
Hey,
beer.
Moon.
Yeah.
Hey, Moon. Hey, Moon.
Yippee!
What do you want me to do?
Anarchy on the ship, but,
Oh, God dang it.
I love how you just run over it. Neom.
Oh. Guardian.
Is it bees?
My panic, be quiet. Also, yes.
Oh no, Wolfgang of Bees died. What happened?
Listen,
And I died.
listen. I led the giant away from us. All right.
I mean, yeah. Thanks to
And then
bees, I am alive.
And then I got Ed.
Oh no. Well, you're snack though, so.
True. I should have known it was unavoidable.
Yo, we risen up bees? Bees, come here for a sec.
Uh-huh.
Bees, I just love your wings. They flutter in the sky. Mm.
I'm lacking the emotes to properly respond to you right now.
I love your stinger, bro.
Oh my gosh, I'm literally fighting the dogs.
Reacher!
Did you see how triumphant and cool I
there's
was out there?
There's a dog on the door.
Dog on the door? Yes. That's the dog that's angry with me. Anyone outside?
Random's the door's opening.
Oh no.
Hey, come over.
Oh shit! Oh, come inside! Let's
We
bullshit!
should go!
Stop the ship! Low.
Oh, he's no one left alive?
No.
Randomous,
No,
why were
it's
you
too
being
loud.
so loud?
Oh no.
That's how I am.
I was.
Loud. How much do we hear?
I don't think I can use the walkie-talkie because I'm on push to talk.
Oh.
I got a cat!
Yeah. So. Oh.
I thought I was gonna fall off the top.
Oh no. Oh, you saw somebody fall.
did he?
Parkour!
Oh, who fell? Oh no.
What was that?
Who fell?
We're fine.
Who? Let me in.
What's the code?
BP.
Yo, mama. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, this is
You're gonna take my people's home? Is that what I heard?
Don't say it.
No.
Don't.
Never opening the doors.
Someone get the nuclear warhead, we're getting
We're
out.
going to renovate the door. How do you?
Are you prepared to die for
No.
your cause?
Actually, no. Oh, hey! I went from panic to immediately. Oh.
Pet the cats.
Why did
can
you
die
buy
outside, it's
a
fine.
boom box? You
We may be
In a
able to go to
word,
Rand's.
are a bunch of crewmates turned into...
Crew mush.
Well, what would they be turned into? Crew mush.
Yo. I love when we start yippee, everyone's like yippee.
If I attempt to yippee right now, my voice will...
Be safe out there.
Oh no!
There's a spider.
Head and a thumper!
A what?
Head and a
Coil? Oh
thumper!
no, coil. Okay, we gotta beat it up. Oh, I see it.
Well,
So that is one of those weeping angel kind of fellas. You need to look at him.
Oh no.
I saw that in the video last week.
Oh, the thumper. The thumper's also there. Oh my gosh. Oh, run.
Okay, I'm running.
What? Why is it so fast? Oh, look at the coil head for me. Look at the coil head. Look at the coil head, please.
We can't trap it.
Oh, no. Well, oh.
I'm watching it. I'm watching
Oh, okay, you're watching it?
Everyone
Ender, you
have
can
it.
turn
I'm
around.
watching it.
Okay, I'm going.
Apparently not.
Don't worry. No, I'm watching it. I'm watching
Yeah,
it.
you're watching it.
Okay, you keep watching it.
Yeah, don't worry.
I'm also looking at it.
I'm running away.
Yeah.
I think it stopped chasing.
Oh, it's down. The exit is down here. Yeah.
Hey, wait for me! Wait for me! Please wait for me!
Oh, there's a.
Wait, did I hear a mine?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Bless you.
Oh my god, there's so many.
There's dogs inside.
Oh, it's fine.
There's 2 to be approximate.
If I can,
Run!
you can jump. You can jump on the ship. By the way, you can jump on the ship if it leaves. So one person just needs to leave. Can we make him go over here though?
Hey, dog!
Hey, come over here, you stinker. God darn it, dogs are you stinky dogs, stinky dogs. Yeah, jump on the ship. Yeah. I got you. I'm ready.
Be ready! It's flying!
There we go!
Woo! I need to open the door. Oh no!
Open the door!
Open.
That's fine. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine.
There you go.
Wow, that was a struggle and a half.
Open the door.
Ooh. Do that.
the character in the top left is the stamina bar.
Okay, so yeah, we just got. Oh my gosh. Stop. Hello?
Also, hi, I have this.
Oh no, that's. Oh, okay. Someone scanned something. Oh, what did you scan?
It's
It's
music box guy.
Music box.
Is it on? I don't hear it.
I think there's.
Wait, I just heard a like Jack in the Box thing as a left.
I'll not hold that.
Crackling thunder. Ah!
Please don't hold that. Ah!
Are you talking to me?
Yeah. You're holding the shuffle, which like can electrocute you, and also you're following me with it.
Oh,
So
no,
it's
no,
like,
there's the zapping sound is gonna strike. Yep. He's dead. He's dead.
oh no. So what are we doing?
Oh, come.
Oh,
no,
someone's getting teleported.
No.
Okay.
That's fine. They're just taking him back.
Jack in the Box? I didn't hear him.
He's dead.
Uh oh.
Holy Shaffa.
Oh,
Welcome back.
So many bodies.
I got a
Oh,
cup.
he died. Like, one.
Gosh darn it.
A big.
Hello? Hello, Harry. I might be stuck. I might be teleported into a room that I cannot open because I don't see a door. No! If you hear me, I'm stuck. I guess I'm just gonna chippy on my choppa.
Hey Moon, look what I found.
Oh no, if you put that on, I will immediately bonk you.
I
Immediately.
will as well.
That's fine.
Do you think someone needs to check on randomish? Just because you have a mask. Just in case. What's over here?
Are you saying you don't trust me?
I don't trust the mask.
Oh, okay.
I don't. Oh no! Oh no!
No, not again! Not again! That thing!
Oh no! Leave. We need to leave.
Bye.